ya mi ensa chesenye ye de ema o se ya mo amadwane ye nyina nso no ye mamo akwaba wase efia no pa na me pemu ahwemo a ye frɛ me John Chireme na me nyamo e wo Facebook wa
na Facebook nso no wa tro comment ato awo kan ana Facebook foforo bra Chireme hu papa
Linda Piase me hwemo from Eva United Kingdom one event say Romford you Richard Keba enso ede wodo abegua bebre yenso edo bi why was say ama ohwan ye fe pa ye fe me upon Dominic we say me wa ha o me hwemo me wa Italy Kofi ni ama good job ye frɛ me Agamba Joseph was say pampe say tiemu ani na Kwame Newtown we say frɛ me Same one obo say was say say bra Kofi what yeah so sassy be that another so sassy sanction bi o mentiasi papa we see me wati bi ekwa na me hwem ye frem Harrison Pepra ye da ase we see me wa ha Fred Ameyi amachi manu Fred Ejo so we say Kofinia ma muluku good we aba Edmonton so listening UK Defanford okay we free within the debe we really do. Okay. And my greetings to Ama Prosper Bini. Watching live from Victory, London. Live wo Mankesim. Nana Eduba. Register the medical kindness. I know a body. Sir.
And it's a champion. You're there.
And it's a champion.
No crash with you. You need haircut.
Sir. And you say, Tia, you better show holding. What's it called? Sister Ama is looking good this evening.
Thank you.
We're free Yvonne Wood ho and greetings to Christoba Waisa Womunina Aji Mr. Handsome and free Sika Sem 1 was it's loud and cray Yajimunina so register my can be wait to me at the Odiaba Becahona Yakuan in a shasia about for some for an answer or so far one a shagani Sika Sem 1 Samso or that Ghana for him Sagana for dear Womote me da sia bra no mama mo kra so mo kwani omu no obi atofo pe no wo abrem wo mo ba kwana kyese eye ntoma pa no wode ahya atofo no wode nam ho no wo hiu na wo hunu ya okwa adosa na ye ntoma nko a enti se wote wo be se famsika beto a enche benyini na ayepafo wo hwa no wate yesi investment bi apie wa ha o eye hwan US tilapia na wasori gri na de akohyem ebe wie no na wankasa na ya tilapia no ye do ko banku so ni yawe wo hwa obeti Justa Motors no wasori na dimika kri na de akohyem wo hwa God is love na de akohyem wo hwa yesi Eurobond bi apie wa ha na ehonsem se tie nie wan mie wani no wan hwehwem na utu anamo na ekowie na ekobase dayeso no ekoye correct one ni bi sanim daye ba ko awie den eba mu no ewiase nyina ye daye ba ko bi oye etimi bam papa
o waso dai na
ojo so wani bet no oh na ono nam fo na nam ena wo mo ye se o se o twa ho kaka ojo so wodan na chi wa aba ta wani ntie no na wa ye wo mpa no so nyina watalu was it uhunu investment bi a ye bo ho dawuro na ye hyen wasre siki advice every wo mo wo hu nimde eno achi no bisamu yie ansa was ente sa ewom sa aban ye na dwen so bebo manfo ho ban de nanso aban kase pa no ene wo fi wani na hwe yie Okasa no eche ono what the Dr. Baumi avoice bi ba ho invested in finance as a finance
no no de kasa ni ade
as a finance for finance for brofo abusia for Dr. Amina Andam asan editor Ghana for anim wo say aha ne de kotodwegu fam ensa danseyem wo pa chew wo say nansan ye kofa de bi ba ya fa ni DDEP Domestic Debt Exchange Program and yeah restructuring manfo bi enya haircut ebi de Sakura Kose and ebi nso de Tokyo Joe and ebi enya Punk Medusa and ebi nso de na said ye no uhunu ana hunu say we de kwan bia so dancing crown ana dancing crown and ye twa no de nanam ho te na ebi super ebi wo wana ni sika kwakam wo ye investment ban ho sika no yentua akwakam ne nyina ne se na International Monetary Fund IMF asha ban kete se just wa ye no pampi se ku ne bodies no anchi we miamia emia ha na ejai ha no wa mia ne pampi se ye ne sa wanya ne sa ye ma busie ti IMF ena ma wo mo ye sa ne ma no ti ebi wo a wo no agitum se emia o manfo na so please forgive us. I was here for finance minister na utie no mesra wa mo amwe TV ne de mo hu se eyo no a ba mo amwe radio no at a point one ye careful pair wadwen be so utie Dr. Mamudu Baumia fi se voice no na ase Baumia yabam mo amwe TV no so no ase we ye Baumia AI version like Nekiki no
we Pro Max
we I said Baumia AI yabam ne tino so de wasi yi no ene said de wo kasa no
actions na all ye
ya to ne nsa no gestures ni nyina no ya koye Dr. Mamudu Baumia enti sana na edu ba bi na ya akwakoye enti na motingin ti ya ba koye ni Abraham ka kire driver wutie mi a wo sresre a wo nwenwi a wo koyi se ufu no hwe gauge no se eswate a bowura go
ya koye nim nanso election eye na yedi etoaso yenkwe election I edu ebrese dia na amanyofo ne brea esanse enche na ye kwakoto abenti no obi abontoa eka na dwempo ne nsusuye enhyehyɛ ya horo a waye nyina e de che Ghanafo na eno enenam somo pani a wotu franka e de ama NDC amanyoko eye enka ne mampani John Mahama JDM eno se Ghana empanifo kan se bi to wasa pani de wutifia ye kan se pani tie mante na 2024 Asemba ko ebeje ne ho sekiremena e wo Ghana ha pa ye enkonfem bia na ye wo mwatifido mantema ye sia konfem no wo mu nyina sore dakora no pa wo mu dware wie twitwi wo mu se epe warranty boot bi hye wo me be hye masehwe mabra bo hye wo me be hye canvas hye wo me be pe socks a hye wo bi a hye wi a no de na ni kirem no se Ghana aha nya ye de mo kwan yam se ye ko Burkina de mo kwaye den wo am se Ghana pa ne ye ntena ha ene ye nyina ye tufa ene enkonfam tufa efi o man Ghana mu ade na ni kirem e ko Burkina na sa asem we ene na 2014 ubo rem Ghana babia eno ho asem enkomobo a na wobia ebo enonom na ni nyina eye dwumadi a eye Savannah Accelerated Development Authority SADA ye kofa ediba ise ye bebo ye nuanom a ewe tifido mantam na esanse ho de enkonfam na ntwienom ni ade ye yen wo ho na sase ne ye ma omo penti no ebeboa ama adwuma aba ho na no na fi 2014 JDM se won kan wasem a ene nyame ye na dom wonya akwanya ewo Bogachanga na ebre okopie mu na okache Ghanafo nyina se muntie ene na medi nkiremu mapa eba enti obi anti ase no hunu se eye ya no mfo ya MPP fo ya enom ne nsem trofo bi kaum tiribo mu se sabre no ye betwa kohwie pa kohwie akese na ya kase nkonfam ni nyina etuko entu be hu nkonfam ni bi ni adrodro na ebi dida nwomachi na ebi dida placards so nkonfam mo kwan yes nkonfam ni tuako JDM chese no kure bia eni sa ensem nim na nkiremu ankasa ewom no mayentie ne.
This was one of the SADA projects, and it was supposed to create an incubator for Guinea fowls. And so the incubation plant was built, the incubators were put there, and they were going to incubate the eggs and raise day-old Guinea fowl chicks for distribution to households. 100 chicks, and you will be giving the poultry house and shown how to raise the Guinea fowls. And then there was supposed to be a processing plant so that the Guinea fowls will be bought off the households and processed, and they will put them in frozen trucks to send them down to the south to market. Unfortunately, the project ran into issues. The media criticized it, and they came and said the Guinea fowls had flown to Burkina Faso. No Guinea fowls flew to Burkina Faso. Guinea fowls are not migratory birds. And so somebody came and asked, he says he asked the watchman, where are the Guinea fowls? And the watchman said, oh, they go Burkina Faso. They go come rainy season, they go come back. And then it took a life of its own. The media went and published it. And up to now, there are people who believe that there were some Guinea fowls that flew to Burkina Faso.
John Mahama no na etu franka ediama NDC amanyoko no wa manso wa eno se san confirm ne ho nsem no ene wa kirem ama obia tiase ese ye moa no ye de incubator ba ye ene se nkosua no na ye de begum na papa ya ye papa wie na ne manketenkete ne ye bo mo ho ban akosi se wo mu benyi wo mu nyi wie a etifidu mantem wo ye tombi wo ho na ye de bia sane aba fom ha na ye nso ye wa ha ye de bia twa ye num spede de pa wo si wo san ka che Ghana for se nyame ya dom na December boso ne de to so enso ye to aba ewie na wadi mu nkunima wo se sa Guinea Fowl project na wode baaye no wo be san de aba esan certificate mantem ho enwuma nhye de ni ho ente ye dwuma ba ko o gidi pa se wo san e de ba e be boa pa nanso ya nomfo ne de wonim se wakokan eno se ye be san ka se en confirm ne be san atu akọ eno se sei eni nchemu wode baaye
of poultry in Ghana, member of Council of State, and so you can be sure that this government is not interested in restricting poultry imports. Also, because of the financial crisis, the cost of inputs in Ghana has gone up. So the cost of feed is high, the cost of all the things that they use to grow the poultry is up. And so our farmers are struggling, and it makes it easier to bring this frozen poultry in. And most of the time, the tariffs are high, but they are able to escape the duties. So they are able to bring the poultry in at lower than our own poultry producers can produce. So most of the major poultry farms are shutting down. Akati Farms was one of the biggest poultry farms. The last time I heard, they are struggling. I mean, I don't know if they've shut down, but they're almost shutting down. We need to reverse that situation. We need to reverse that situation. And so we already have had an engagement with the Poultry Farmers Association. We know what the issues are. And when we come, we'll do everything to try and...
Any out here and come Nima Penny John Mahama and then one him Franca Eddie Ama NDC Amanyo Kunyami Adom na yet to about December 7th every year. What Chessen yet tea beer, or Dimun Kunima, and your poultry, as you might for Mubefa Montuma Pa Efra.
I was on for your twaso, a Jumini was his Serena Shilling. Serena Shilling, Shilling, we are Simu, Bazano. Ampara, Serena. Linda Dinette was Anno. Was a concert partner say, Munina, arise and shine, Monserena Monshrine. But rise and shine, a young one more brofo, and more a shrine, rise and shine. Linda die. Was it you go explain, tire, no evidence. In our Kwame Hansen, we say JM, the next president of Ghana, your friend Nanako Jan Ofori, with the can. Was it or any back quarting or table, and training meeting? Hey, Mama. So you are going to bring them confirm who flew to Burkina to Ghana and or any back quarting, Jimo de Bay in I want. Wasn't confirm beyond true. Na ye confirm be just an confirm be
agenda set
and so I told Timua shall send a papa collecting flu and now the onya petrol na manem foutim a big creating in Adwako factory resetting was it me wo Yakubu sir what video no emu ebie na me hwe ne paper no so na ope better and further particulars enti no or drunk confirm na Ewura Mahama eka omo asem no ye frame Linda adai de me hu ye e woni sheet so na meka was it JDM all the way ye frame Amos Labi Osadu midin eno no and I we so say Kofi then confirm flew away omo call ye pa ye frame Ben Sam was it make I start cleaning my voters ID card December 7th shall be my month of blessing in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Ye free a year abeja Matthew a hope. Hey, ayeka Nidi any set or say champion and watchers I can mean Nima de Qua Ayeka and was a JM Panye. Henry Quajuminta message and no. I was out for Yakoya ni Momadiana pen nofus. Unya nofus. Umiane say ya nofus. Na wanum.
A novus.
Nofus. A drink be a de pa. A day. Nofus. Obese boy from say dong. No a minute guna guna kubensio amangunsio abrobensio pineapple abrobe kwadu banana ninsio and ye degu and twemu a just correct ones pa ye fe no nofus